If you're an accounting firm, fractional CFO, or bookkeeper, and you would like to start offering your clients branded analytics dashboards that look something like this, then I'm going to show you in this video how you can set that up for free in a matter of minutes. I'll go over step by step how you can get your analytics dashboard live, how you can onboard your clients seamlessly, and how you can start productizing your reporting tool instead of trading time for money. By the way, the platform is called Boardroom. It's already powered over 1,100 e-commerce brands, and now it's available on a white label basis for firms. So let's start with the most important step, setting up your white label dashboard. Remember, this is entirely free to do. The first thing I'm going to do is just enter in my email address here. And like I said, it's completely free to set up your analytics dashboard. You don't need to enter a credit card. You don't need to do anything special to get this thing going. I'm going to fill out my contact details now. That's my real number too. I'll set a password next. And now we come to website and subdomain. So the cool thing about your branded dashboard is it's going to live on your website, not ours. So when your clients log in, it's going to be on a subdomain of your own URL. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and set one up for you guys to see in the demo. Subdomain is the part that's going to come at the beginning of the URL. So you can put anything here if you select custom, or we have some preset options for you there too. Next, we come to customization. So you also get to add your own branding to the dashboard. So I'm going to go ahead and just add some color here using a hex code. Font color, this is going to be against the background of your primary color. So I'm going to leave it as white. And then I'm going to add a logo and an icon. Okay, I've got my logo here. It says your logo here, just so you can keep track of where your logo is going to go in the dashboard. And then I also uploaded an icon. Okay, now we come to the scary part, DNS settings. If you've ever set up a website before, you know that this is super simple and takes about 10 seconds. All you're going to do is add a CNAME record in your DNS settings. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, don't worry about it. We also gave you a way that you can email these instructions to your IT department or your webmaster or somebody who knows how to do this. Again, it's really simple. It takes about 5 seconds. I've already done this in the background, so I'm just going to click Verify Setup now. And boom, we can see that DNS verification was successful and my domain is properly configured. Now I'm going to click Complete Setup, and that's pretty much it. That's going to take me to this screen. So we're going to set things up behind the scenes to configure the dashboard. Usually takes us a couple of hours at the most, and then we send you an email and you're ready to roll. Okay, once we finish setting up your custom dashboard on your subdomain, you're going to be able to access this page, which is your admin panel. Think of this as the command center for your firm. You're going to be able to see a list of all your clients, how much revenue and orders they've generated, and you can also invite other clients to join. You can add clients manually with this form, or you can copy your own branded sign-up link and share that with your clients via email. Those are some options that we have for onboarding, but one that I really like is actually the fact that we give you a custom branded landing page with your dashboard. So you can actually share this page instead. It's going to look something like this, but it has your logo, and it just teases the dashboard to your clients. Gives them an overview of all of the awesome features that we offer, like analytics and reports, data integration, multi-store dashboard, AI-powered SEO and growth tools, all of this under your branding and on your subdomain. But this landing page is super cool because you can just share this link and then your clients can learn all about it and actually sign up directly from this page. So we help you with marketing and announcing your new dashboard when you sign up for Boardroom White Label. Along those same lines, we give you an FAQ page that's going to be hosted on your domain with your branding. And this tells your clients important information about the app, like what does it do? What does it integrate with? Can I connect multiple stores? We give you a screenshot-enabled guide for all of these where it's relevant. so that your clients know exactly how to get started and actually start extracting value out of this tool as well. So again, we're helping you with onboarding and support along the way. Jumping back over to the admin panel for a second, I wanted to show you that here in your settings, you can also adjust all of the stuff that we already talked about. You can also control exactly what your customers have access to inside Boardroom. So if you have certain pages that you want to hide or turn off, you can do that from here. You can also configure email settings so that every system-generated email is sent from one of your inboxes instead of ours. Likewise, you can enable white-labeled customer support. So everything is fully white-labeled, which is a really cool thing. Scrolling down, you can update the color scheme on those landing pages that we already talked about, and that's pretty much it for your settings. So you have full control over your own admin panel and what your clients see inside of Boardroom. Last thing I want to mention is that we have a help center here, so you can see exactly how to customize your dashboard, how to set things up. But since you've watched this video, you're pretty much up to speed with all of this. So once you get this thing live, and you just saw how I did it in like 5 minutes, your conversations with your clients are going to start to change quickly. You go from delivering static weekly or monthly reports to providing a real-time analytics dashboard that adds tons of value to your clients. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how we add so much value for your clients by walking you through the actual platform itself. So pages like this with our custom dashboarding tools, automated scheduled reports, something called a power grid that you're going to love, and lots of other cool features. So we're going to walk through that in the next few videos, but thanks for watching this one. And I hope that if you're interested, you'll book a call with us to learn more and we can show you how this would look for you. Or you can go ahead and get started today and follow the steps that I showed you in this video and start building your branded dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.